Alright, hello everyone, Amanda here with Eclectic Scribbles. I invite you today with a brand new video, and today's video is going to be the May Supply Sampler reveal. So here is the box. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscription button if you haven't already, along with the little notification bell so you are informed each and every time I upload new content. So let's get down to the actual goodies in the box. Now, for the past couple of months, there has been a digital Google Drive in addition to the box, and that is not different. This month around, you get 8 hand lettering worksheets. A few are like 4 of them are blank, and then 4 are actual practice sheets with the alphabet on them. I didn't print them out, but they are available to everyone who got the box. Let's dig into the box. So this month I did a couple of things a little bit different. So there is a slight mixture of items in the box, which I'm going to move out of the way and we'll bring everything into focus. So there is a purple and blue sort of color scheme to go with the actual mythical theme that I am doing for the month of May. So a couple of the colors will vary from box to box, but all of the actual pins and everything will be the same. So let's dig into the goodies. So first things first, you are either going to get a purple or a blue combo. This one is the purple in 769 or 679. You're going to get a mild liner that is going to be purple or blue as well. Something that is going to stay the same from box to box are the 2 Stabilo fine liners that you're going to get. So this one is number 13 and this one is number 32. So you've got sort of a tealy blue and then a more blue color. You are also going to get a Uniball Signo in this new metallic blue or a nice teal color as well. And these are going to vary from box to box as well, and you're going to get a Uniball Signo in purple. So you'll have 2. It'll be some combination of those 3 colors, a teal, a metallic, and a regular or metallic purple. So there are a few different little variations in that. You are also going to get a friction pen. This will stay the same from box to box, a Papermate Inkjoy gel pen in purple. So lots and lots of good gel pens this month. I'm going to get a Sharpie art pen. This will remain the same from box to box as well. And then this one will vary between the purples and the blues also. The Recollections sort of fine liner here. This will remain the same from box to box, which is just a fun little add-on item. It's a Studio G glitter glue in purple. And you are also going to get some Winsor & Newton Professional watercolors, and this will vary slightly in color as well from purple. It will all be purple hues, but there are a few different ones. And then you get your goodie bag. So this little goodie bag here has got a little catacorn, a unicorn, and a mermaid in it. And that will stay the same. The colors vary slightly in each of the little die cuts, but you will get all 3 die cuts in each one. And then you're going to get this little additional goodie bag that I made up for everyone as well. So let's put all the pins off to the side here. Get everything out of the way, and we'll check out the little goodies in the goodie bag. So these are just little bitty things that I threw into a little goodie bag for everyone. So you've got a couple of things from Shine Studio. Is it Shine Studio? Let's see. Shine Sticker Co. is who this is by, and you're also going to get a little sticky notepad from them as well. So it's one of 4 that has the little unicorn in it as well. You are also going to get these 2, if I can get them out of the thing here, you're going to get 2 little wooden picture frames to decorate. And then I have thrown some embellishments in as well. So what I would do for this is I would put white or clear gesso, depending upon what kind of look you were going for, all over this little Polaroid looking thing, and then I would paint it with something from there. It could be gelatos, acrylic paint, any kind of paint you want over top the gesso, and then I would add the embellishments. So the little embellishments that I have included in each one are some very spring inspired florals. So you've got 4 flowers in each one, and either a glitter butterfly or a glitter flower in each one of the little kits as well. So you can put these anywhere you want, in any combination you want along your things, and just attach them however you like. And then everyone also got a unicorn paper clip and a mermaid tail paper clip, which I thought were super cute as well and went with the theme. So that is the contents of the little reusable goodie bag, and you get the die cuts. And so these are just little extras that I threw in last second for everyone. All right, so this is what the May box looks like. Plenty of goodies in it. So we have got 10 different pens, some paint, some glitter glue, and some fun little embellishments to play with and decorate your journal or whatever you like. You can even add magnets to the back of it and use it as a refrigerator magnet. So lots of things that you can do with this, and I thought it was a fun little addition. But that is going to wrap up today's video and the contents of this box. Make sure you hit that little like button down below. Comment and tell me which is your favorite part of the box. My favorite part of this box is going to be this little fun embellishment kit that I put into the goodie bag. So I'm really looking forward to doing my photo frames up as well. All right, I will see you next month for the next supply sampler, and later this week with more videos. Bye.